Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 20 Goldsmith Road. This spacious 3-bedroom mid-terrace property is located close to King's Heath High Street and also has a garden to the rear. And now into the property, and we've got the entrance vestibule leading through to the hallway. We can see the stairs leading up to the first floor, the through hallway going along to the kitchen, and then we've got the understairs storage cupboard as well. And 2 receptions down on the ground floor, starting with the first one here to the front of the property. And we've got the bay window here, the front aspect. And through to reception room 2. Got a window overlooking the rear garden. And through to the kitchen. And the boiler just here on the wall. We've got a door out to the side, and then double doors as well at the far end, leading through to the garden. Now up onto the first floor, we've got the split level landing with 3 bedrooms and the bathroom up here. Starting with bedroom 1 here at the front, the biggest room. It's a really good sized room, 2 windows here at the front. And then bedroom 2. Obviously facing the rear of the property. And through to bedroom 3. And then into the bathroom, where we've got the panel bath with shower above, WC, wash basin, fully tiled walls and flooring. So heading outside, and here we can just see there is a shared side passageway with next door, providing access back through to the front of the house. We've got this patio area here with a couple of steps leading up to the main lawned garden area with fenced boundaries, and then a further raised hard standing area here at the far end with the timber shed. And that concludes the online viewing for this property. So if you would like any further information, then please do contact the office, and we hope to speak to you soon. Thanks. Bye.